Hello everyone, I'm Josh Garrett. I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted a coding buddy who just doesn't sit around offering generic advice but actually writes the code for you without any errors? Enter Cursor. It's a smart, efficient AI coding assistant that can make building websites and solving coding problems feel like a breeze. Today I'll show you how to use Cursor step by step. Ready? Let's dive in. First, of course, we need to download Cursor. Head over to cursor.com and you'll find the download button for your operating system. For me, it's Windows. Once you click that, all you have to do is follow the installation process and you need to create an account. Also, about the pricing, you could try a free plan because it has a 2-week pro trial. Perfect for testing Cursor out. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Cursor has a clean and organized interface. First, of course, we have the top bar navigation. Here you'll find options like File, Edit, Selection, View, Go, Run, Terminal, and Help. All the usual suspects for a coding environment. In the top bar, you'll also find a search and some buttons that open up sidebars and panels. If you click this button, you'll open the primary sidebar. Think of this as your tool belt. It holds your workspace, search, source control, extensions, and run debug options. Below that, you'll find tools like Outline, Timeline, and Notepad. When you click this button, you'll open the panel. This area is like your feedback zone, where you can check for problems, see output, access the debug console, and use the terminal and work with ports. Now this button, this is the most important one, and this is where the magic happens. This is the AI panel. It allows you to chat with Cursor AI, which can basically do two things. Firstly, the Cursor AI can modify code by suggesting improvements or fixes while you're writing code. Secondly, it can also write code based on your prompts which you give it. Now that you know all about the interface, I'll show you how to create a basic portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, of course, you need to add your files and folders. You're probably going to be in the Cursor Tutor workspace. It's fine to use that till now. I'm going to create a folder which is Learning Cursor, and I'm going to add these files: index.html, styles.css, and simplecode.js. Now here I'll show you one of the features of the Cursor AI. Cursor AI can suggest improvements while you type. Just like this. All you have to do is press tab to accept the suggestions. The second way you can use an AI is to give it a prompt and it will write a code for you. So now let's use the Cursor AI to build a basic portfolio website. Now all I have to do is ask it to create a basic portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And here you go. All I have to do is simply click accept and the code appeared into the files in seconds. Make sure all the files are saved, and to view your work, you have to right-click on index.html in the workspace, select Reveal in Explorer, then double-click index.html in your file explorer to open it in the browser. And voila! A portfolio site created under 3 minutes. Now we have gotten to a point where this tutorial isn't even that necessary anymore, because you can just ask the AI anything related with code or Cursor and it'll help you. For example, you might have noticed in the website that there are no images. Now I want to add images. So all you have to do is enter in a prompt to Cursor AI, how do I add images into my website? Now that it has generated its instructions, all you have to do is follow it, and with a few tweaks, your portfolio comes to life. Now that this is done, I'm just going to show you one cool project I can make in less than 5 minutes. A recipe website. From what all you've learned, this is a piece of cake. All I had to do is ask Cursor AI to create a recipe website with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In just moments, the basic structure was ready. Again, it had no images at first, but with a quick query to the AI and a few adjustments, we easily added those in. After that, there were some bugs and some problems in styling which I didn't like. All I had to do was enter in a prompt to Cursor AI again, and it was fixed. And there you have it. Cursor is like having a coding wizard by your side. Whether you're building your first website or you're a professional diving into complex projects, it makes coding faster, smarter, and a lot more fun. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.